The snow has started. It is sleeting and it's beginning to snow. It is extremely cold outside. Both of my dogs are out, and as you can see, one of them is like, nope, 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 I'm coming inside. It is already cold, and I know it's going to get worse before it gets better. And welcome to Texas. Welcome to the channel. Today I am just going to give you a glimpse of what's happening here. It is snowing. We have snow, and there is snow all over the place. Let's see if you guys can see. I would open the door, and I'm sorry for all the ick on the outside of the glass. You guys can see that because I know I can. It is freezing out there. Temperatures are freezing, and it feels like it's 20 something degrees, I think they said. So yeah, it's really cold. We're not supposed to be on the streets, but as you can see, there is a car out there creeping. We have all been sent home from work. Only essential personnel are supposed to be out and about. So yeah, this is what we're dealing with. The girls have come in. As you can see, there are little paw prints. They've been out twice this morning, or at least the youngest has been out twice. The eldest is like, nope. Only going outside once, and maybe I'll try again later. They both have on their sweaters. You know, they have their winter wear. But yes, this is what we are dealing with right now, and we're due to have more coming later on today. So yes, the garden is covered up. I've watered everything to insulate it, so I'm hoping it's not dying in there, because it is 32 degrees in the greenhouse. So I can only imagine it's roughly about the same in this white structure here, as well as the covered up structure in there. I do have frost blankets inside of that greenhouse plastic, but that's not a secure structure, so I can only imagine the temperature is a little lower. But I'm doing my best to save what I can. And of course, you know, snow will insulate, water will insulate, so we'll see how it goes. I'll check back in with you guys later. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is snowing. It just started snowing again, and we're expected to have snow, I think, pretty much all day. If you can see from the ground, earlier you could see paw prints, but the doggies want to go out. Sorry about that, y'all, but the paw prints are covered up with the snow. I need to get outside and try to get some of that off the walkway, but it has been so cold. Hurry up, it's cold out. Careful. Oh my goodness. Come on inside, it's cold. Look at the icicles. Can you guys see the icicles? Now you know it's cold. Ooh, icicles. The girls finally remembered what the white powder is, so they're outside having the time of their lives. Me, I'm inside waiting for them to come in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. If you did, do me a favor, share this video, like this video, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.